Well, fellas, as you can see, it's been in the oven for about 35 minutes. Look at those herbs. And if you notice how they have, kind of seared themselves onto that chicken. All right, you see the transformation that's taking place? Rotel is open, so all we're going to do right here, take a few little Rotel tomatoes. Pour that on there. Take your little spoon. Spread it out. We ain't worried about a thing. Just spread it out. Take your little spoon, spread it out. Then you take your tomato sauce. See how we did that right there? So take your little tomato sauce, right? Spread it out. Now, I'm going to tell you something that might be real good with this. I don't know, it might be. It is. You see that right there? Now we're going to cover that with foil and let it rip.